What is going on, everyone? Mr. Tightlines here. This is it. This is the journey. This is where I take almost 2 weeks away from my home, which I'm not used to that. We go down to Guntersville, Alabama. I'm gonna try and throw all my baits. I'm bringing the rubber worms. I'm bringing the punch rig. I'm bringing the hollow body frogs. This is my chance. I haven't left New Hampshire area, besides Maine and Mass, since 2004 when I went on a cruise. So I'm taking this opportunity to go on a vacation and to fish my lures that I made here in New Hampshire, my wooden lures, fish them down south in Guntersville, Lake Guntersville, Alabama. Let's do this. Here we are, guys. We made it. You didn't get to see much of the traveling because it was dark, it was painful, and there wasn't much to see, just because we traveled at night. I'm here at Guntersville Tackle Outdoors. I just got my fishing license, and I'm gonna go check this store out. I've already been in there, and Mr. Miles Murray waited on me, very nice gentleman. And Miles said, I mentioned my swim baits to him, and about how I have a goal, how I have a goal to fish some of my swim baits here. And he asked if he could check them out. So let's go show him. All right. So I'll come out of the gate swinging here. All right. So this is my frog. It's about 7.5 inches, weighs 3 3/4 ounces. It's made out of cedar. And I tied the treble hooks. I airbrushed it.
Wow, that is innovative. We fish frogs totally different than this.
Oh yeah, hollow body probably, right?
Yeah, on top of matted grass.
Yeah, on top. I'm gonna run it on the front of the weed lines.
That's
around structure.
Very smart. This is really innovative. You don't see many.
You won't see any of these.
Yeah.
You don't see this frog. Really good. Here's my rat.
This is totally different than any rat I've seen too.
Here's my monolog crawler.
Wow. Wow. I would definitely be throwing.
You like that? So these 3 things right here, I guarantee you bass in Guntersville have never seen them.
I guarantee.
You know how I know that? Because I made them myself months ago.
There you go.
Guys, you see in the store, they have everything, literally everything. If I wasn't fishing my own stuff, I would literally have no need to get anything else anywhere else. They have everything you could possibly need here. Plenty of rods, plenty of baits. They got bull shads, they have spro rats, they have soft plastic shad imitations. I mean, I'm literally in a field of soft plastic right now. just never-ending soft plastic. What's going on, guys? Mr. Tightlines here at Lake Guntersville in Alabama. National championship for KBF. Pre-fishing day one. We got 3 days of pre-fishing, 3 days of tournament. I'm taking this as a chance for a vacation. I'm not treating this as a serious high-level tournament event. So I'm here for fun. We got the president for Granite State Kayak Anglers with me, Mr. Sean Roach. He has been nice enough to drive my butt down here, put the Bonafide kayak on his trailer, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna get out here, and we got a few spots we're gonna try, and I gotta stop talking, guys, really. I gotta get out there and see if I can catch myself a Guntersville bass. After many hours of throwing only my own baits, I decided it was time to try to actually catch a bass. So we put the trusty dusty weighted rubber worm on the line and we go at it. There's a fish. Oh God. Nope, that's the wrong way. First Guntersville bass, like third cast on a Senko. I said I wouldn't do it. I said, I'm not gonna do it. Oh, come on. All right. Don't smell as fresh as up north, but it does smell like victory. Hilarious. Weighted wacky rig worm. First Guntersville bass. On a freaking worm. Ready to go. There we go. What is that? That's a bass. There we go. There. Not big, but on a day like today, this will do. Second Guntersville bass. Yeah. Oh, they smell different. 16 inches, just about. There we go, guys. Not the biggest bass, 16 inches, but that'll do. Oh, come on. All right. There we go. What is that? It's tiny. Or is it? Nope, nope. Nope, not tiny. No. All right, not huge, but definitely not too awfully tiny. 3 fish. There it is, guys. Another 16 incher. So I got 3 16 inches. Awesome. Well, guys, somewhat terrible day fishing. Caught 3 that were 16 inches, like all 3 of them. It wasn't a skunk. I had to take out the rubber worm to do it. I've now come to the conclusion that I'm not going to be able to just fish my own stuff. It's just not going to be possible. There's so many weeds. There was wind today, but even without the wind, there was so many weeds. There was no cloud cover. There was no real structure for me to throw at besides the weed line, which was fine, but nothing happened. But go to a different place tomorrow, maybe figure it out. The elites just had their own hard time here. Who knows? All right, guys, here we are. Day 2 pre-fishing KBF National Championship at Lake Guntersville. We're at a different spot. There's a whole bunch of kayaks here, so maybe that actually says that there's going to actually be fish here.
Spoiler, this was not the case.
In my researching, this was pretty much the main place I wanted to go. Hey, another fusion. Nice. Awesome. We got another bona fide fusion out here. So anyways, this is one of the main places I wanted to go. When we showed up, we were talking to some people, and I digressed, and we ended up going to a place that I hadn't even studied at all, and it didn't pan out. I got 3 that were 16 inches, so hopefully I don't have to go back there.
Another spoiler, I do go back.
I know I told you guys I'm gonna mostly use my baits. A confession. I come down here to try and catch fish on my own bait, which is great, but I also wanna catch fish. And if I'm not catching at least like a dozen 12-inch bass or more on a Senko, then I don't know. I don't have really much confidence in bluebird skies, little, wind, weeds, trying to throw a big treble hook. It just doesn't work. So we're loading up our kayaks here. We got Sean over there loading his up. And we're gonna get over there, we're gonna put them on the water, and we're gonna go see if we can put a limit together. Catch you out there, I hope. There we go. Little guy. No, I won't have to net him. He's tiny. There we go. First one. Let's see if it would have been 12. Yep, it's a keeper. 13. There it is. Squeak, squeak.
That was the first and last catch of the day. There was nothing else, no other hits. I moved places, I went in, I fished the docks, I fished the drop-offs, I fished any bit of cover I could find, and that's it. I only caught the 1 fish for the whole dang day. Yeah. Well, I figure it's only right for me to give you guys this update. I caught 1 fish today on pre-fishing day 2. It was 13 inches long. Yesterday was 3 that were 16 inches long. Tomorrow we go to another new spot. Hopefully it gives up some fish. I don't even know if I will catch one down here on my own lure. Before coming down here, I was pretty darn confident because I'm pretty confident in my lures. They do very good, but there is weeds everywhere. There's dead grass and it's broken up grass. All on the top. It's all in the middle. It's definitely on the bottom. I'm having a very hard time running my big treble hook baits through that. I'm still going to try in the mornings. Today we got off the water at noon. Would have been nice to hit another spot, but we were generally tired and wanted to kind of figure out some stuff and then go harder at it tomorrow. I'm not confident at all leading into this tournament. I know there's some hammers out there that are going to go and they've found fish and they're going to do their thing and they're going to make their money like they are supposed to do. I just really wanted to catch at least one good one on my own lures. If I catch one, awesome. To me, I've won. We've had mid to high 70s for the temperature. Sunny, low wind. It's not been my kind of fishing, that's for sure. I can usually, see the thing is I can usually always find them with a weighted, wacky rubber worm, but I have not been able to really find them in this salad of a lake called Guntersville. So we try another spot tomorrow, and then I don't know as if on tournament day I just go to the spot where I caught the 316s. It was hard because there was a lot of boat traffic and it was very wavy. But if I don't find anything tomorrow, I'm going to have Sean bring me back there. That's where I'm at. I had just realized I'm getting ready to rest for the night. I just realized I didn't make an outro. I feel like I don't care. I don't know how else to say it because I care. I care about you guys. I care about my adventure and chronicalizing it. And I know if good becomes of it later on that I'll be mad that I didn't do this for day 2. So here I am wasting a whole bunch of time talking to you guys. You probably already skipped by this in the video because I'm just blabbing. And you came here to see fish caught, which I can't do. Why are you here? I'll see you guys tomorrow either way.
Here we go, guys. Day 3, third spot. Let's go. Sean, we're gonna catch fish?
We're gonna catch fish today.
Okay, all right. We're gonna catch fish today. You heard it from the man himself. Let's go catch fish today.
Just going to skip ahead and tell you again, I catch one fish this entire day. I fish the bridges, I fish the weed lines, I fished the drops. I don't know, I guess I just wasn't in the right portion of the lake where the fish were, because I know at this point there was at least a dozen people finding pretty good fish and talking about how good the fishing was. So I think it was just, I was in the wrong place, the wrong time.
There we go. Small, but no skunk. Oh, man, no skunk. Yes. Small, but we got one. Little guy. What's going on, guys? Mr. Tightlines here. Tournament day. I don't even know if you can see me. We got the man out here, Alan Reed.
What's up, guys?
Pretty awesome seeing him. Team Bonafide. He's got the Black Widow, I got the Fusion, and hopefully we'll go out here and do some damage on this place. Catch you out there.
Just after taking this picture, I fell on the launch and hurt myself pretty darn good.
All right, just did my intro and fell right on my ass. Twisted my shin. It hurts pretty good, but I'm out here. I got marks. You can see some marks on my screen. Maybe I'll catch a fish. Oh my God. What is that? Is that a drum? What the hell is that? It's a drum. Well, at least I caught a drum. Come on, you stupid drum. Come on in. Wow. Okay. Oh my God. What are you? I don't know where I'm supposed to put my hands on this thing. Stupid drum. Dum da dum dum drum. Well, we got a drum, guys. Well, I caught a drum. Weird fish. I thought I had a good fish on.
All right, Sean and I fish till, I don't know, about 10 o'clock, and we decide this place isn't really doing it. Neither of us caught a bass, so we decide it's time to call an audible and go to where we went on day one, where we caught the most amount of fish during our pre-fishing experience.
Oh. A measurable fish, Sean. A measurable fish. No skunk. Wacky worm. He hit almost instantly. Yes, no skunk, all right. Oh. It's like 9-10 feet through a channel back here. All right. $16.5. Here we go, guys. 16.5 inches. I'm not getting skunked out here. Yes, that's all that mattered. No skunk. No skunk, yeah. Woo. Yes. Wacky worm getting it done. Oh, wacky worm's getting it done on tournament day. Yes, yes. No! Just lost the net. Oh, man. Tiniest thing in the world. It's not gonna. Nope. Tiny.
125th has 70 inches.
Yeah.
I'm just looking.
Are you looking for yours? If
Yeah,
hey,
I
dude,
just got
bro,
it for
bro.
20. There it is. Sean wrote. Oh, get him in, you got a minute. There you go. Get one that blows out. Maybe 30 seconds. I'm not trying to.
Talk about a buzzer.
Close his mouth. Yeah.
Trying.
You don't want to close him out.
No, they don't.
I don't think you get it.
Hold on.
Try it. Go for it anyway.
Got it. All right. Let's see. I'll deal with them in a second.
Yeah. If you got the picture before 2:30, like right now, it is. I'm still looking at 2:30.
13 3/4.
There you go. With the other 3, you're up there. You get 3 other fish other than that. That's 4, right?
I have 2 other fish other than this. I lost my third.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, but
That's still good.
yeah, boom, submitted and it's in the net.
Yes.
Buzzer beater, huh?
Yep. I mean, right.
Get it, pop it.
Good job, dude. Last fucking minute.
Literally the last freaking second, I got a weighable fish. Mwah! Yes! Woo! That man right there landed a 20, what was it?
1/2.
20 and a half. Best fish of the day, best fish of the whole dang thing for us on a live bait ball. You won't see this until after, so it doesn't matter. now on the live
tonight.
on the live target bait ball. Unbelievable. Morning, guys. I didn't do a outro yesterday. Caught some fish. Had some fun. Made an audible. I'll break this down in a little bit, but for now, I'm just gonna say, here we go. Day 2. Let's go find some fish. Am I on? Yep. Come on. Here we go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Where are you? Tiny. Might be 12. Might be 12. Oh my God. Are you 12 or no? Close that damn mouth. 12 inches. Hold on. Get out, get out, get out, get out. Go, go, go. $11. There we go. No. That was probably about 12.
So we make our way across the main river and into another weedy subsection. For some reason, I didn't save this clip on the GoPro, but I caught a bass right here. It was only like 14 inches. I also just realized while editing this, I apparently missed a catch of my third fish as well that was 13 3/4 inches.
There you go, guys. Not huge, but gets me another fish. There we go. Yep. Ah. Oh, it's gonna just make it 12 and a half, I think. Limit, day 2. Yes!
Nice job.
I gotta tell you guys, after really hurting my leg, after 3, actually 4, but 3 pre-fishing days that were just mediocre at best, dang, does it feel good to get a limit in the tournament. Let's see if we can call. Why not? Oh my God. Oh boy, okay. All right, that feels like an all right fish. Oh, she's small. I might still cull though. That's gonna cull. That's gonna cull. Yes. Oh, guys, we're culling. Yes. Guys, not huge, but now we're culling fish. Mwah. Thanks, girl. That's a big fish. Yep. Come on. What are you? Hmm? It's diving. It's caught in there. Did I lose it? Nope. There it is. It's a big fish. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yes! All right. Woo! Yes! Yes! Okay. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're a big fish. Yes! Come on. Yes! Just shy of 5 pounds, guys. Yes, yes. Oh. Go on, girl. Go on. Yes. There it is, guys. End of day 2. Do I think I entered the top 100? Nah. Do I think I might have got biggest fish for that last hour? Yeah, good chance. We'll see what happens. At least either way, I am making a Guntersville episode and you're all watching this and you're all, wow, huge explosion, huge explosion. Anyways, tomorrow if I'm in the top 100, I fish for the top 100. Doubtful, but I think we're fishing anyways. I know Mike and Sean are entered into the Big Bass Brawl. I am not, and that's what that is. So we'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, here's the deal. We are fun fishing today. I made it 148th out of about 300 anglers. I'm right in the middle, but I did not make the top 100. That's okay. Yesterday was a little bit of redemption. I actually caught some fish, and I caught a kicker. If you're gonna see anything today, then you're gonna see it, and I'll add it into the video. If not, we're gonna just skip right to the outro. But let's hopefully go catch some fish. I'm gonna try to throw nothing but my lures today. We got overcast, we got some rain coming. If there's ever a day I'm gonna catch something on my own lure, it's today. Pretty soon I'm gonna throw this damn worm. Oh my God. Is it still on? Stay on, please. That's a nice fish. That's a nice fish. Come on, come on, just get in the net. Just get in the net. Yes! Woo! I did it, guys. I caught a Guntersville bass on my own lure. And it's a nice one. Yes! Yes! Thank you. Mwah. I did it. It's not the biggest fish ever, but I did it. On my own lure, the monolog crawler. 18 and a half. You're like just under 4 pounds. Gotta get a weight. This bass right here makes the whole dang trip. The whole trip. £3, 12 ounces. I will take it. There we go. 3 pounds, 12 ounces, 18 and a half inches. Not the biggest fish, but on my own lure in Guntersville. This trip is complete. Go on, girl. Yes! I did it. I caught one at Guntersville on my own lure. Not the biggest fish in the world, but 18 and a half inches, almost 4 pounds. Yes, let's keep going. Maybe I'll get another one, but either way, this trip is made. Yes. Man, see this floating grass? This dead floating grass everywhere? This is the reason I'm not throwing my own stuff that much. Oh my God, that's a fish. I don't think it's big, but it's a fish. Nice. Nice. Huh. We got another one. All right, not the biggest one, but we got another fish. Here we go. Another bass. That's it. That's it for me in Lake Guntersville, Alabama. It's been bittersweet for sure, but I wouldn't trade the experience for the world. Glad I did it. Things didn't necessarily work out as I had hoped. I really wanted to use my own baits more. The weather and the pattern and the conditions did not dictate for me to use my own stuff only, so I veered off course, through the Yum Dinger, through the Spook, through some conventional stuff,
and it paid off. I mean, I got almost a 5-pounder. And then I got that one today that was almost 4, but that was on my crawler. That was really the way to end it. Pre-fishing was terrible. Day 1 tournament was mediocre at best, but generally terrible. And day 2 was pretty darn good. I got 80 something inches with a kicker, almost 5-pound, almost 21-inch bass. That's great. That's the end of the journey, guys. I'm going to head home, hug and kiss my wife and my child. I miss them so much. And I can't wait for my wife's food again. It's the little things that are actually pretty big things, like family and good friends, Sean and Mike. They put up with me, and we had a good time. That's it, guys. Thanks for joining me along in this journey. Please like, comment, subscribe, and remember, until next time, keep those lines tight.
Well, guys, here's the end of my tournament experience. Terrible time fishing, a terrible time coming home, I guess.
So as you guys can see, this was the end of my Guntersville tournament experience. This was actually my first accident. I had never been in an accident, let alone a major car accident. The roads were decently wet, but not wet to the point where we thought anything would hydroplane. On this section of the road, the speed limit was 70 miles per hour. We were doing basically just 70 miles per hour to barely go by this big white truck and trailer. All of a sudden, the front of the truck starts veering into our lane, but we notice the tire is completely straight. So we realize, uh-oh, we have an issue. This truck jackknifes in front of us, and it looks like it's going to clear us. But all of a sudden, the back of the trailer smacks into the front right quarter panel of our truck, which ends up pitting us. In the process, the trailer almost flips over, ends up hitting the grass. We saw dug in parts from the grass in the trailer on the left side, and this ends up snapping the main shaft of the trailer right in half. So on the spot, the fire department helps us get some just pieces of metal, and we got it in with some makeshift clamps, just enough to hobble off to Lowe's, in which Sean performs total magic and makes this spot stronger than it ever was. At first, we didn't realize that it was a horse trailer that flipped, and then we secondly didn't realize there was actually a horse in the trailer. So when the fire department showed up, the guy driving decided that he wanted to cut into the trailer and get the horse out because the horse was not in the greatest of shape. It wasn't in the greatest of positions. As you can see, the horse was upside down, breathing heavy. That's the owner right there that actually starts to cut the rest of it to get him out. You see when the horse emerges, he limps a lot on his front left leg, and Al was worried about a break, but after a few moments, the hobbling stopped, and after the owner looks over the horse, we find no broken bones, lots of cuts and some bleeding, but overall, the horse is fine. We've been in contact weeks after with the owner, and the horse is still okay. That was the best part of everything. Nobody was hurt. The horse was scraped up, but not hurt to the point where it couldn't recover. Everything had insurance on it, and the kayaks weren't damaged. And the fact that we were able to salvage the trailer and make it 1,400 miles more home was just unbelievable. Fun fact, both fire department and police members on the scene in separate various conversations mentioned that this was the 17th car accident on that corner in the last 6 months alone.
What's up, Chris? How are you, buddy?
Are you filming us? Is that what you're doing?
Yeah, what do you got to say?
I need to sign some so you can put that on YouTube.
Okay.
Seriously.
What are you signing?
I'll sue you.
Like sign?